Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Ganley. Today we're going to take a tour of your new virtual PE classroom so you can be successful this school year. When you log in through Schoology, the first thing you're going to see is this updates page. Always scroll down. As you scroll down, you're going to see the green button where you can click in for when we meet live with Google Meet. If you click a little farther, you'll also get important updates for what we're doing in PE. This update right here gives you the link, nickname to get in our Google Meet. DES-PE Ganley K. Next, if you scroll back up, you can click into materials in the top, and that will lead you to a page with all the important material for the classwork for that day. On this class, I have set up a video message from me welcoming you back. As we move on, more and more information will be added under the materials page. If you see material for that class, this is where you'll complete it. Thank you. Talk to you soon.